All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're still in our artificial intelligence course and we're still in our uncertainty module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight we went over the theory of independence. Independence is the knowledge that one event occurs does not affect the probability of the other event. For example, in the context of our two dice rolls, where we had the red die, the probability that we rolled the red die and the blue die, those two events are independent of each other. Knowing the result of the red die doesn't change the probabilities for the blue die. It doesn't give any additional information about what the value of the blue die is ultimately going to be. So basically, independence refers to the idea that one event doesn't influence the other. And if they're not independent, then there might be some relationship. So mathematically, formally, what does independence actually mean? Recall this formula from before that the probability of A and B is the probability of A times the probability of B given A. And that's this formula here. The more intuitive way to think about this is that to know how likely it is that A and B happen. We'll first figure out the likelihood that A happens, and then given that we know that A happens, let's figure out the likelihood that B happens and multiply those two things together. That's just a quick overview of what we went over tonight in our uncertainty module. That was the independence theory. If you guys want to Google it and go over it more, you're more than welcome to, or you can keep following me and I'll keep you updated. This is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.